guys, good morning. I'm gonna have to lift Tux. Oh, there he comes. Come on, buddy. Good boy. Hi, Morris. Hi. Hello. Come on, Tux. Here, Morris. Like, come, Tux, come. He's coming on this side. There we go. Goodness. The morning cat shuffle is a delicate operation sometimes. Come on, guys. I got more food. And then there's Stripe. He just waits patiently in the position for me to come over with the food for over here. He's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. Where are you? There you are. Good morning, buddy. Good morning. Well, it should be a normal Tuesday for me today. You know, chiropractor, Guardian Angel, Apex, Whole Foods. Oh no, Dawn didn't tell me about this. The squirrels have been in my pumpkin and they've made a mess. That's not nice. They couldn't even give me a week until Thanksgiving without attacking my pumpkin. Oh, I was in an okay mood. I can see why when Dawn swapped the plates, pulled the stuff off the plate for me so I could restart a print. I can see why he didn't tell me about that. So I've got pilgrim hats and turkeys. And multiple different shapes of pumpkins. And now I'm printing more branches. I got the pumpkin mess cleaned up. Hopefully the cats will discourage the squirrels from messing with my pumpkin anymore today, although it's not going to last long since it's all open now. Hi, bud. Hi. He goes, "Can I have more attention, please, Mom? Please. I need more attention this morning, Mom." Okay, go get some more food. Come on, such a good boy. Was there some news outside this morning you were avoiding telling me?
Oh, your pumpkin got attacked.
Figured you didn't want to be the bearer of bad news.
Well, I thought I did the best. I mean, there's nothing we... Yeah, kidding. I didn't want to... I wasn't... I was just didn't want to... You know, I said, well, she notices, because there's nothing we can do. So I put the little wing back on. I mean, something had...
did you have to drill a new hole?
Right.
Oh, okay. I missed that part. I cleaned up the walkway.
Yeah, well, I figured, yes, I didn't do that.
Tomorrow, I'll probably get out here with the blower. Things are pretty wet today. Thursday's supposed to rain again, so probably tomorrow. Good morning, Gray. Good morning. Good morning. Good girl. I'll see you this afternoon, okay? It is a really nice morning out here. Not too cold, a little bit of a breeze, just sort of comfy with a long sleeve cotton shirt on. It's nice.
Yep, I agree. I might have to take out my long sleeve shirt on the second lap.
Oh, you're double layered?
Yeah, I've got two.
I'm single layered. Okay. Well, it's 64 degrees out there and sunny and just beautiful. Just beautiful. I'm noticing that I only have 117 miles of range. I heard Dawn say I'm going to kick off charging on Ruby. The word kick off means earlier than scheduled, so that you have plenty of charge for tomorrow. And, I think he said something else to the effect of it should be all caught up, or, it'll be plenty. And 117 is probably still plenty. But I also think Ruby didn't charge when he expected her to charge, and therefore she's just not charged up very much. Maybe just to get caught back up, and because it's free, I'll stop by the Supercharging carry near Whole Foods and let her charge for 10 or 15 minutes and like I said, catch her up. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling this afternoon. If I can remember. It's probably more of a remember thing than it is anything else. You know, we're all creatures of habit. We get on autopilot. We do what we're used to doing. And then that one thing different you're supposed to implement in your, there's a Rivian, in your day just doesn't end up happening. That was the R1S. Well, life is being not the greatest today for Johnny. He came out of his dorm this morning to get on his bike and start about his day, and his bike was stolen overnight. It wasn't in the bike rack where he had locked it up, and yeah, that's we thought no way, you know, that one's not that snazzy looking. It's a great riding bike, but you know, it doesn't look like, it's not a Taj Mahal bike that somebody would be like, oh yeah, let's steal that one. So probably, you know, these things, no chance he'll get it back, but he will report it to the local bike shop in case it comes through there, and this, of course, the on-campus police, and maybe we'll get lucky, but probably not. And yeah, that's just super disappointing. Super disappointing. I'm leaving the chiropractor now, headed over to Guardian Angel Apex. It's you know, a little breezy. My tree over here is definitely past peak now. It's been a long time since I got held up here by a train, and I did get a look down to the right, and it is longer than shorter, and oh, by the way, on top of that, it's not moving very fast. Now, this is the back of the train. The engine must be on the other end, so I don't know. Guess I'm gonna be here a few minutes. I'm stuck now. Cute mini flag, and the happy camper is also cute. So far I've just got a Christmas ornament. It's a bird's nest thing, and a couple of iris pattern Corel plates. I like the little salt and pepper shakers, and I don't have the green owls, and I do have the black owl, but maybe only one of them, so maybe now I have two. It was $2. I don't think Halloween is still listed as being 50% off, but maybe. I found this owl table runner that I thought was really cute. I'm going to pass on Mr. Candy Corn, but that sure is fun. I swear all the stores I shop at hate me because I want that last thing of root beer and I can't get to it, and I can't step up down there either. And I tried to use a 2-liter bottle to help, and that didn't help. I went into Food Lion also, so I moved Ruby. I got Dawn pork rinds, and I got us some of our Zevia root beer. So I am gonna go put a little juice in the car. I'm sitting at 96 miles. I've got plenty to go home. It's just the off-peak time window and stuff that we have to charge. Since I'm gone during the day today, I just go put some juice in quick. Yeah, the Cary Supercharger here off Tryon Road is at a Lowe's grocery store, like the one we stopped at while Adam and Michelle were here in town. I'm trying to remember what city that was right this second, and it's not coming to me. And I don't know if they're parked there but not charging, and there's several other cars down the road, but we're nowhere near full, not even close. It was Sanford, near the Starbucks, the one we had the joke about it being Kyle approved, because there was a Starbucks in the parking lot. I don't know how long I'm going to stay until it doesn't make sense to stay anymore. Right now I'm at 114 kilowatts, and I'll take it. Down below 70, I sure won't be wasting my time. All right, I've put in 88 miles. I've been here about 20 minutes. I just went under 70 kilowatts. I'm at 178 miles. By the time I drive home overnight, we should have no problem getting Ruby up to 90% before we drop her off for her repair, right? Because we don't want to drop her off at the caliber collision for her repair of the rear liftgate without charging her up, although, you know, to a decent level. Although they've repaired so many Teslas there, I'm sure they have a way to charge Teslas now. But, you know, typically if you would drop your car off for service, you would want to not drop it off too low. Because even at Tesla, if it sits for days, I've seen it, you know, lose the 3 to 5 miles a day sitting there kind of a thing. So, anyway, we should be in good shape now. I think the nice breeze we've got going on today should have helped to dry out all those leaves on the ground. Well, I've got everything loaded up. 70 out there now. Just gorgeous. There's a Y pulling out over here. A 3 parked in that direction. And this really pretty silver Model X came and parked a minute ago. I guess we should drive down there past it so we can check it out, don't you think? Is that the new Quicksilver color? Or is it a wrap? It's got red calipers. I hated that period of time where Tesla stopped using red. I'm going to assume it was a supply shortage thing. And I think that's the new color. Very nice. Totally nice. And it's a plaid, which I figured, given the calipers. It's a white VinFast in front of me. When they first came to Cary, I saw quite a few of them. And now it's been weeks and I haven't seen one. But there's a white one, and I don't believe I've seen white before. So that's, you know, finishing out the color palette here.
What is all the super heavy bags?
Food.
Goodness gracious.
And the thing he was saying a minute ago was, I see a flower, I see a flower. Yeah, they may have had miniature orchids on sale at Whole Foods today, and they may not have resisted. We're watching Dancing with the Stars, the 500th episode. Wow. Dawn's been watching almost since the beginning, and I was a year or two behind. Anyway, I feel like I'm wanting to sit down and work on this right now. So I am going to do that. It's 812 pieces. So possibly over 2 nights. I don't know. I've got myself a tray. I'm going to do it in my lap, which is not what I normally do, and see how it goes. I'm stopping after bag 3, and that's more or less half of it, although I think it has 7 bags total. So it's pretty cool. Lots of small parts, and thanks for bumping my hand, bud. I love it when I get that kind of assistance. Big boy. This is the bedtime. Are you going to feed me now? Are you going to feed me now? Hi, bud. Hi.